You know what no one tells you about AI search? Your content isn't being read. Think about it like this. It's being converted into math and then rebuilt into answers that you didn't actually write. And if that math is messy, well, it skips right over it and you're never going to show up in an AI answer. So let's talk about what really happens to your content once AI engines get their hands on it and then eat it for breakfast. Hey, I'm Cassie Clark, fractional content strategist and the host of the Found in AI podcast, where I help marketers and founders understand GEO, SEO, AEO, LLMO, whatever we're calling it, so we don't get lost in this new wave of AI search. So here's the first thing to understand. When you publish anything online, whether that's a blog post or a social media post or a video or whatever, AI engines don't look at it the way a human does. They turn every sentence or transcript or whatever into a vector, which is basically a mathematical footprint. And those footprints get dropped into a massive semantic map where similar ideas cluster together. So if your content is clear, structured, consistent, the engine creates a clean embedding. But if it's chaotic or vague, well, the embedding gets muddy and then you lose visibility. Fast. Fast. Once your content is embedded though, the engine shifts into semantic understanding. Now, what that means is it's not going out and scanning for keywords. Instead, the AI engine is connecting themes, it's comparing concepts, and is also looking at how your ideas relate to everything else on that topic within that space. This is why long tail content performs so well in AI search. People aren't using keywords in these prompts, they're using natural questions. And when AI tries to match those questions to content, they're matching it to real topical depth. So if your article is thin or confusing, or you left something out, you're getting skipped over in favor of someone who went deeper and provided a complete answer. Now let's look at answer stitching. When someone asks a question like, how do I build a content strategy for my SaaS startup? AI doesn't just go grab one article. If you use Perplexity or ChatGPT, you know this. Instead, it pulls pieces from different places. It checks the ideas to see if it aligns with the intent of the question, and then it stitches them together into a blended answer. And if you want to be part of that blended answer, your content needs to offer clean, extractable chunks. So think clear headers, clear definitions, step-by-step logic, bite-sized explanations that it can just grab and be like, here's the answer. So what does all of this mean for you and your content strategy? Well, if you want AI engines to use your content, you have to create meaning, not just keywords. You have to give the engines like a signal it can trust. So again, we say this every video, make your structure obvious, make your claims clear, stay consistent around the topic that you want to rank for and be known for and appear inside of the answers when someone asks that question. So basically just give the engine information it can take without misinterpreting you and what you've said. Listen, AI search is not really about writing more or pushing out more content. Instead, the way to show up in these answers is to write in a way that machines understand. And once you learn how to do that, your content stops getting ignored and starts getting reused in answers all across the internet. Okay, follow along for more strategies so you don't get lost in the new world of AI search. I'm going to be talking about this in the next couple of videos.